this is doing is it's measuring the flow that these pumps are pulling through those tubes. So that way we know how much air went through those tubes, and also then what concentration of some of these organic compounds in cigarette smoke that are in its gas phase, such as nicotine.
We've been doing some research with the Public Health Law Center at William Mitchell, looking at this issue of secondhand smoke movement in common interest communities too, which includes condominiums, cooperatives, and planned communities, townhomes, that kind of thing. There is air movement between units in condos, in townhouses, and it's a very significant issue there because people are kind of stuck. They bought their unit, and if they have a smoker next door, it can make their home a very unpleasant place to live, and they don't have the flexibility of giving 30 days notice and moving out. They're stuck with it for quite a while.
So we're doing research, getting into the dissemination part of our research, on looking at the experience of owner-occupants with secondhand smoke, how they respond to it, what their opinions are on different kinds of policies. As you might expect, the experience of owner-occupants was very similar to renters, that those who are experiencing secondhand smoke coming into the units are very bothered by it. They would also very much prefer to live in a smoke-free environment, a smoke-free building. And if they were out shopping for property, 80% said they would look for a smoke-free building.
I remember cigarettes. I remember cigarettes on the airplane. I know.
As also, we did interviews with property managers on similar things, seeing what their experience has been with secondhand smoke, what their opinion is on smoke-free policies, and what they might consider as far as state laws or ordinance goes. Under the new provisions of the Minnesota Clean Indoor Air Act, condominium property, common areas are considered part of a private residence, so they're still smoking permitted under state law. But property managers were in favor of going smoke-free for common areas, also supportive of common areas outside, less support for individual units. So there's similar trends in both populations, but some little differences on approaches to how to solve the problem.